You all summer and after fall, I'll keep you all summer and after fall.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and.
So when it rains, it pours. Your girl's getting treated today to the spa. So this pedicure costs $120. Let me just tell you right now, I wasn't ready for it, but my wallet, as you see, I don't even have my purse on me. It's healing. I have foot reflexology. I had black stones, foot massage, wrapped, wax, and everything else. I just felt like a queen, as I should. But look at this place. Look at this. Buddhas everywhere, because y'all already know I'm a Buddhist. I'm Hindu. And if you don't know, now you know. That's why I have a bindi on my forehead, and my daughter does, in case anybody want to call it a black dot. It's not. So this place was just everything. This lady, she's the best. Thanks, girl. She basically massaged me. I had black stones. I had this wax wrap on my foot. I don't even know. And I got a French manicure. Y'all already know that's like $20 in New York. But like I always say, treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself, boo. Okay? Let me see the flower. Thank you. Look at these beautiful flowers. Lovely, right? So pretty and free. Hey. You want to clean it?
No more.
I know, it's no water. Yeah. Ooh, very nice. You're doing a good job. Look at this tree. Yeah. Gonna get you. Ah, we're gonna pick some of these flowers. Come, let's pick the flowers. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Got me. So it's dinner time. I made some steamed asparagus with butter and some chicken Alfredo. This is the first time I made chicken Alfredo, so your girl was just adding parsley flakes until my ancestors told me to stop. And baby girl got a little cough, so I'm dealing with that. But it was so delicious. And I got the white Alfredo sauce. I basically cooked my chicken first. Chicken breast, seasoned it well. Y'all already know. Put thyme, I put butter, I put olive oil in the pan. And that was it. 1, 2, 3. Hello. So I had to get gas, and I went to this Raggedy Taggedy Sunoco or whatever it was. And let me tell you something. I will not be returning there because 1, it was raggedy, and 2, it was raggedy, and 3, it was raggedy. Did I say raggedy? But I'm not really with the Raggedy Taggedy. I paid $50 for the gas, and I was out. Okay. No, no.
Oh my, no, honey.
He said don't touch it. Oh, you.
That's a good girl.
Right. Oh, you're doing a good job. Wow, look at it. Look at it go. What kind of train is that?
That is HO, and that is the Harry Potter train. This is all Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
And all you see, everything here is Legos. The pastor's son built that. Took him 6 months.
Oh, wow.
This was built by our secretary. This was, don't touch, baby. And this was built by our secretary.
Nice.
And the trains I did.
Woo, I love it. Nova.
On November 17th, 18th, the weekend before Thanksgiving, the Saturday.
You're not doing that. Take off our shoes. Get on your ride. Take it off. Ooh, that feels nice. Right? And then hug the tree. Talk to the tree. Good job. Put your shoes back on? Yeah. Huh? You all done? You all done? Oh, let me see your dress. Come do a twirl. Do a twirl around, 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 around. Ooh, la la. Get it, get it, get it.
I got it.
You can be so close to it. Yeah. Look at this one. So there's a guy in here. No. This is a man's bathroom. Wendy's. Y'all bugging for that one. Okay. So I just went in the other restroom, oil changer, and it's for men, and there's a man in there. I'm supposed to go use it with him in there? No. This world is crazy.